Good morning, this is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. We've been out doing a little mild trail riding this morning in this 91 FJ80 series Land Cruiser that we've recently restored for a gentleman out of Idaho. His name is Scott. He's a fly fisherman. We don't call this maroon red anymore. This is Toyota medium pearl red. Fully restored by us, Land Cruiser Restorations. Hey, you know what? If you like the videos, if you like what we do, we'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, the share button. That lets us know that you do appreciate what we do. That'll keep us encouraged. Not that we need it, but it shows us that we are appreciated. Now let's take a look at Scott's cruiser. He wanted us to do it top to bottom, so every nut and bolt was taken apart on this one. Full restoration, undercarriage treatment, all new suspension. It's got about a 2.5 inch lift on it. Running boards, aftermarkets, front bumper, rear bumper, roof rack, shocks, steering stabilizer, the standard stuff on any restoration. Well, it used to put out about 135 horsepower with a stock engine. Now has the LS3 engine, 430 horsepower. Move over, Rover, I'm coming through. So the folks on the freeway, when you're going up that on-ramp and they're behind you blowing their horn, pass you, say, give you the #1 finger to show you the top of the day, you can say, get out of my way. I think the overall package is beautiful. We've changed the door handles to match the rock sliders. Kind of brings it together. These are amber colored turn signals. Really nice, well-built bumper. LED headlights, fog lights. Those are super bright fog lights built into the bumper. Every nut and bolt was taken apart on this cruiser. There's the interior. We've completely gone through it, carpet and padding, sound deadening. The seats have been completely reupholstered. That's a center console that we make. Nice cushion on top to rest your elbow. This has got some really nice aftermarket amenities to it as well. Paint turned out beautiful. We take a lot of pride in our product. A lot of attention to detail. That separates the men from the boys. There's a lot of Land Cruiser so-called restoration shops out there. We've been doing this about 27 years now. Overall, this turned out really nice. I'd be proud to drive it anywhere. In fact, Scott, if you don't want it, just let me know. LS3. Puts out about 430 horsepower. That ought to help him a little bit getting up and down those hills in Idaho. Like I said, he's a fly fisherman. Wants to get to those nice spots where nobody else can get to. Get those big trout. I don't blame him. I might fly out there and see if I can help him out. Really nice guy. I'm sure he'd welcome you along for the trip. Give me a call at 316-992-5986. My name is Jim, I'm the owner. I'd be happy to talk to you about your Land Cruiser, what your expectations are, give you some recommendations, give you some guidance. Visit our website, Land Cruiser Restorations. At the top of the home page is a button for YouTube. Click on that link. We've got like 100 videos. If you like our videos, by the way, could you please hit the like button and the share button? The like button sends a message to us that says, yeah, you like our videos, you like what we're doing. That'll encourage us to keep up the good work. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Look forward to talking to you.